Welcome, in front of me is Apple Watch Ultra 3, and in this video I will show you how to set up an alarm clock on this device. So first of all, you're gonna have to press the digital crown once. Now first let me enter the passcode, and then press the digital crown on the right edge of your device to open the list of all applications. At the very top of the list you're gonna find the alarms application. Open it. If you want to set up a wake-up alarm, you're gonna have to press right here and then change it in sleep application. Now once you see this menu, scroll down and select continue at the bottom. If you want to receive notifications from health, then tap allow right here. After that, select your sleep goal by tapping right here and selecting how much time you want to sleep. Then once you're ready, tap the back icon to go back. Then also select the schedule by tapping right here, and then either change the days active by selecting every day and changing it to maybe every day by Tuesday by unchecking the checkbox next to Tuesdays. And this way you will make it turn on only 6 times a week. After that, scroll down to select the wake up time, and now you can change it by moving the digital crown. Let's set it to 6 AM, maybe to 6:30 even, and click OK. Then enable the alarm by switching this toggle to the right. You can change sounds and haptics by opening this menu and selecting the sound you want to hear when you wake up. Also, you can enable or disable the snooze feature and the snooze duration right in this menu by tapping these two icons. And here you can change the bedtime also by moving the digital crown. Okay, and so that's how you set up a wake-up alarm, but that's the one way to do this. Now if you want to for example set up a regular alarm, you just have to open the alarms app and tap the plus icon, and then just set the alarm just like we did it previously. So select the hours and then move the digital crown until you hit the hour when you want to do something, and then select the minute and move the digital crown until you hit the minute that you need. Then tap OK in the bottom right corner, and this way you will add an alarm. And that's basically how you set up any alarm on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.